Welcome back, everyone. This is how to roll a long sleeve t-shirt for travel. This is the most compact, wrinkle-free way I have found. Help build this community of travelers by giving this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get started. First, start by laying your shirt face down and smooth out as many wrinkles as possible. Once you have a smooth piece, grab the shirt about 2 inches from the bottom and fold it underneath itself, about 2 inches. Then, you're going to fold the shirt into thirds. Imagine a line from either side of the collar all the way down to the bottom of the shirt. This is where you're going to fold. Start with the left side, and since the sleeve is a little bit long, you're just going to fold it down. Same thing on the other side. Fold the sleeve over so it's in thirds. Fold the sleeve down and back up if it interferes with the fold you made at the bottom of the shirt. You might have to adjust the bottom of your shirt to make sure it's wrinkle-free. Now, flip it around, and starting with the top, you can roll the shirt up as tightly as you want, smoothing out the wrinkles as you go down to the bottom. You'll see a little pocket at the end. Slide your hand into the pocket, palm up, grabbing the bundle firmly. Watch closely. This is where the magic happens, so like and subscribe. You can then unravel the pocket over the roll that you just made, and it becomes a perfect pocket to hold your t-shirts. And there you have it. A compact, wrinkle-free way of folding your long-sleeve t-shirts. We love connecting with this community of travelers, so please let us know where you're watching from and what folds you would like to see next in the comments below. Thanks again for watching and happy travels.